Are you over 60 and tired of waking up stiff, dealing with nagging joint pain, or feeling like inflammation is stealing your energy? What if I told you that there's a simple natural oil used for thousands of years that could help calm inflammation, protect your heart, and even sharpen your memory? It's called black seed oil. And today we're going to uncover why experts call it the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory in the world. But before we dive in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week we share practical health secrets designed to help seniors live longer, stronger, and pain-free lives. Don't miss the tips that could change your daily health. Getting older doesn't mean giving up on feeling good, yet so many seniors silently battle with inflammation. It shows up in small but exhausting ways. Your knees ache going upstairs. Your hands feel swollen in the morning. Your energy dips even after a good night's sleep. The truth: chronic inflammation is like a slow fire inside your body. Doctors link it to arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, memory loss, and even some cancers. It's the hidden enemy of aging well. But here's the good news. Nature has given us tools to fight back, and one of the most powerful is surprisingly simple. What exactly is black seed oil? Black seed oil comes from the tiny black seeds of the Nigella sativa plant, used in ancient Egypt, Greece, and the Middle East. In fact, historians say Cleopatra used it for beauty, while Hippocrates used it for digestion. That's why it's often called the cure for everything but death. But this isn't just ancient folklore. Modern science is proving what our ancestors knew. Studies show that black seed oil contains compounds like thymoquinone, which fight inflammation at the root level, calming the immune system and reducing oxidative stress. Why inflammation matters more after 60. When you're young, your body bounces back easily. But after 60, your system becomes more sensitive. Even small amounts of chronic inflammation can steal your mobility, your independence, and your peace of mind. Think about it. When your knees hurt, you walk less. When your hands ache, you cook less. When your energy drops, you socialize less. It's not just penits, your quality of life shrinking. This is where black seed oil becomes so powerful. Instead of just masking symptoms, it supports your body's natural healing process, reducing inflammation from the inside out. The science behind the oil: researchers have discovered that black seed oil lowers inflammatory markers in the blood, protects brain cells from oxidative stress, improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for diabetes management, helps reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, protecting the heart, boosts the immune system, keeping seniors more resilient. And here's the best part: it's all natural, with centuries of safe use backing it up. Real benefits for seniors. So, what can you actually expect when you use black seed oil after 60? Joint relief. Many seniors report less stiffness and more flexibility, better energy. Inflammation drains your energy. By calming it, you feel more alert. Sharper mind. Some studies suggest improved memory and focus. Stronger heart, supporting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Immune boost, helping you fight off seasonal colds and infections. Imagine waking up without the same stiffness, being able to take that walk with your grandkids, cooking your favorite meals without sore hands holding you back. That's the kind of difference seniors are experiencing. The right way to use black seed oil. Here's where most people go wrong. They hear about black seed oil, buy it, take a random amount, and then say it didn't work for me. But just like any powerful natural remedy, how you use it matters. Choose cold-pressed oil for maximum potency. Start small. 1/2 teaspoon daily is enough to begin. Consistency is key. Need to take it regularly, not once in a while. Mix it with honey, warm water, or tea. That's how many cultures traditionally enjoy it. And remember, always check with your doctor before adding a new supplement, especially if you're on medication. Common myths and truths. Myth: black seed oil is just hype. Gives truth. Over 600 peer-reviewed studies confirm its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Myth: it works instantly. Gives truth. Like any natural remedy, it builds up over weeks of consistent use. Myth: it's only for certain cultures. Gives truth. Its benefits are universal, especially for seniors dealing with inflammation. Identifying with the daily struggles. Think about yesterday. Did you feel stiff getting out of bed? Did you hesitate before climbing the stairs? Did you cancel plans because you just didn't have the energy? That's inflammation speaking. It's not your age, it's your body asking for help. Now imagine next month you wake up lighter, your joints less swollen, your energy back. You say yes to that walk, that trip, that family dinner. That's what's possible when you give your body the right support. Why seniors are turning to black seed oil now. We live in a world filled with processed food, hidden sugars, and chronic stress, all fueling inflammation. Prescription drugs can help, but they often come with side effects. That's why so many seniors are turning to natural solutions like black seed oil, not as a replacement for medicine, but as a safe, supportive, daily ally. It's affordable, easy to use, and it works with your body, not against it. Here's the truth. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down, giving up, or living in pain. You deserve to feel strong, clear-minded, and energized, no matter your age. Black seed oil isn't magic, but it's one of nature's most powerful gifts for seniors fighting inflammation. Combined with healthy habits, it can help you reclaim your energy, protect your heart, and stay independent longer. So if you're ready to take the next step toward a healthier future, subscribe now, because we share practical health tips every week, designed especially for seniors who want to thrive after 60. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who needs hope, encouragement, and a reminder that better health is always possible. Remember, you're never too old to start feeling younger inside. Until next video.